Hi everyone, my name is Christabel Soria Mendoza, pronouns she, her, and hers, and I'm a fourth year city and regional planning major.
Hi everyone, my name is Lizbeth Guzmán Villanueva, pronouns she, her, hers, and I'm a fourth year industrial engineering major.
And we're both sisters of Lambda Sigma Gamma Sorority Incorporated, the only multicultural sorority on campus.
And today we're here to show you how to make horchata, a traditional Mexican drink that's comprised of rice, sugar, milk, and cinnamon. So stay tuned to learn how to make it.
Así me dijiste a mí, por eso vivo penando. Volando a todos diles que sí, pero no les digas cuando así me dijiste a mí, por eso vivo penando.